We just planted this kokum plant, coconut trees. See, tilting the mud and planting the trees, really it's a hard work, but it works. Whatever the work that we do, we get the result. If we don't do the hard work, we won't get any result. So by faith, by prayer, when we plant, it is God is going to sour the water, and the nature is going to take care of all this, the needed things, so that the plant to grow. There are a lot of work to be done in the small place, and yes, we have to complete this task. We are making this place